In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create unlimited Gmail accounts without needing to verify each one with a phone number or OTP. This method is not only easy but also efficient, especially if you're looking to organize your communications, sign up for different services, or conduct testing without cluttering your primary inbox with multiple emails. We'll be exploring a strategy called Gmail aliases, which is a fantastic way to have numerous distinct email addresses all funneling into one main inbox. This means you can effectively manage and organize your email communications without the hassle of managing multiple separate accounts. First up, let's talk about how Gmail supports this magic with two tricks. The first is called plus addressing. It's a handy tool where you can append a plus sign and a tag to your Gmail address. For example, if your email is yourname@gmail.com, you can create yourname+shopping@gmail.com or yourname+clienta@gmail.com. The great news is, anything after the plus sign is virtually ignored by Gmail for delivery purposes, but you can sort by it through filters. The second little trick in Gmail's basket is that it ignores dots in the email address. So your.name@gmail.com and yourname@gmail.com are essentially the same. This can come in handy when you want to use visually different addresses. Let's dive into how you can utilize these aliases. First, determine which Gmail account you'll be using as your primary address. Let's say it's yourname@gmail.com. Whenever you need to sign up for a new service or correspond with different contacts, use variations like yourname plus project x/gmail.com. This way, you'll still receive all the emails in your main inbox. To keep things even more organized, take advantage of Gmail's filters. You can create specific filters that will label or route messages as soon as they arrive. Simply head to Settings in Gmail, choose See All Settings, then navigate to Filters and Blocked Addresses where you can create a new filter. Now enter your alias, like your name plus project x/gmail.com, in the To field, and decide what actions you want the filter to take, such as applying a label or skipping the inbox. For a more advanced setup, consider using the multiple inboxes feature. This allows you to have several panes in your inbox, each showing emails from different aliases. Just go to Settings again, select Inbox, and opt for multiple inboxes where you can add queries like to your name plus project x@gmail.com. Now, if you wish to send emails from one of these aliases, compose a new email, click on the From dropdown, and then add another email address through Settings under Accounts and Import. Add your alias, like your name plus alias at gmail.com, making sure your outgoing mail maintains consistency. The perks of using Gmail aliases are clear. It's free, unlimited